everyone. So this is Dora Walk TV and this is Tabogon National High School, Senior High School Extension, I guess. So ari ko subong guys for the documentary. Okay, this is my first time to go there at Tabogon. So later mapuli na ko. So I will grab this opportunity to go to witness the Senior High School of Tabogon National High School, Senior High School. Yes. So let's go. It's a very nice place. Okay, this is my first time actually to go. Okay, last this 2016 before the pandemic strike, nag-go ko dito 2016. After all, wala na ako kabalik. So may Tabogon National High School, Senior High School na sila guys. So this is very nice place. Kito something napukit na gitsaya. This is far away. This is also part of Kabangkalan City. So let's go. Hindi ko na-expect actually nga maglakad this oh my god. Kay charter day nila last 22, December 22, do finals ang charter day nila. Pero ang ilang ano guys, ang ilang fiesta just March first week I guess. Do ka mo na. So look at the may ano sila guys, may something alpalog na bomba, may ginapaliguan sila nga bomba. Do ka. Look at that. Oh my god. Lamig siya yung place guys. So itour ta kamo sa ilang school. Actually ginayo ko to si Manang ang lady guard nila nga mag-tour dito. Pero ako niya videographer ang amon nga so doon na mo sila guys. Doon guys what? Baka doon sila guys. Look at the place guys. Super ano video guys is in. May ata sila sa 3rd floor going down to 2nd floor. So, interview ko na si Manang lady guard later. Oh my god, this is a very cool. This is a very place again. So, kanabi, ito sa inyo nga. Actually, Tabogon, ano na siya guys sa barangay of Kabangkalan City. So, kanabi, para sa inyo na guys, yung Spilakan. Oh my god, look at this. Wow! As in guys, look at that. Kanabi sa ilang Spilakan. This is my first time to nasulod kong ilang nasulod kong ilang school. Oh my god, OMG. Na-amaze lang git kuya guys kay sa amo na siya sa part. Actually, ang Tabogon is bukid na siya guys, pero lantawa bala guys, lantawa ang ilang ng mga eskwelahan ang room nila. This is senior high school. Kanami medyo hindi siya actually pero wala pa ko kakantong sila nga elementary school pero it's okay. Next na lang na ako kantuan. So may mga ano na sa'yo? Ano siya mga balay da? Dito sa punta ano to yan? Balay? Actually namin siya guys my first time. So thank you so much kay Manong lady guard for accommodate with ko there. So thank you so much. Yeah. So thank you so much Manang lady guard for accommodating mo. So say hi no ng lady guard. Siya di guys ang gabantay guys. So nangalan mo Manang? Lourdes. Yeah, shout out kay Manang. So kabuot siya guys, siya di gabantay sa Tabogon Senior High School nga nga school. So thank you so much Manang lady guard. And this is Dora Walk TV. Goodbye Tabogon. God bless. Mwah.